Thank you for joining me for this weather update. Kalin here in the Maritimes Weather Center. It is the evening of Monday, March 21st. Been a busy day here in the Weather Center, keeping track of this early spring storm. I want to begin with some snowfall reports from around the region. Now remember, these are very preliminary and very unofficial. We're not going to get some final numbers until the snow winds down as we move through this evening and tonight. So if these numbers look a little high or low for your area, remember they are likely to be adjusted. But around the Fredericton area, 20 centimeters of snow and counting. Around Moncton, 11 centimeters of snow, with more to come as we head through this evening. Charlottetown, 8 centimeters of snow, mixing with some freezing rain. They are expecting to see further accumulations for this evening and tonight. And around Halifax, 2 to 5 centimeters of snow. That was followed up by 3 hours of an icy mix. Their temperatures returning back below freezing, so any slush that's around is likely going to be freezing up tonight, so you want to be careful about some icy spots. Here's a look at the remaining weather on radar. Now the steadiest, most accumulating snow moving in towards eastern parts of New Brunswick as well as the west of Prince Edward Island. That's the area we really have to keep a close eye on, because this is not going to be winding down until around near midnight tonight, and that means additional local accumulations for many of these areas through the east of New Brunswick and into western parts of Prince Edward Island, as high as 5 to 10 centimeters. And that's where we still have some warnings out by Environment Canada. Snowfall warnings here highlighted in through the white, calling for additional amounts of up to near 5 centimeters. The winter storm warnings here through the red for much of the Kennebecasis Valley into Moncton in the southeast and Prince County. Additional accumulations of near 10 centimeters combined with gusty winds that could create some blowing and drifting snow. Snowfall warning out for additional 5 centimeters in place for Queens County, Prince Edward Island, and still a wind warning out for Inverness County and Cape Breton, where some wind gusts may exceed 100 kilometers per hour as we move through this evening. So we're still dealing with this nor'easter. It is on its way up towards Newfoundland and Labrador next. They're going to be dealing with heavy snow, freezing rain, and very strong winds as a result of the system. In behind it for us for tomorrow, we're actually going to get into some clearing, and we'll see that here in our forecast model moving forward. So first of all, there's that snow really easing up towards midnight in the east of New Brunswick and parts of Prince Edward Island. The remaining flurries, most of them coming to an end in the early morning hours of Tuesday, though Tuesday morning I do expect some flurries in Cape Breton coming in off the Gulf of St. Lawrence, especially for Inverness County. For much of the rest of the region, though, throughout the day on Tuesday, mostly sunny to a fair weather mix of sun and cloud. But with gusty winds out of the west and northwest, some of those gusts between 40 and 60 kilometers per hour. Mostly clear conditions expected for Tuesday evening, but we are going to see some flurries and showers return to the region for Wednesday. Current temperatures across the region. Temperatures are beginning to fall as we start to get behind the system, as winds begin to turn north and northwest, even across Nova Scotia, even those areas that turned over to some rain. So that's why I said be careful about some icy spots. And low temperatures tonight getting as cold as around minus 10 to minus 12 for the northwestern corner of New Brunswick. Most other areas several degrees below freezing tonight, around minus 5, minus 4 for your low temperatures across Prince Edward Island and Nova Scotia tonight, with low temperatures in the forecast between minus 5 and minus 2. How about high temperatures for tomorrow in New Brunswick? Mostly in the range of minus 4 to 0. A little bit more moderate for St. Stephen and Grand Manan. They'll be near 2 degrees. Mostly sunny skies in the forecast. For Prince Edward Island tomorrow, mostly sunny but gusty and a little bit chilly for this time of the year, with high temperatures near minus 3 or minus 2. And across Nova Scotia, high temperatures tomorrow between minus 2 and 1 degree. Mildest there for communities on the southwestern Atlantic coastline from Clark's Harbour, moving up past Shelburne, Liverpool towards Bridgewater and Lunenburg. And our 7-day outlooks moving forward. Sunny and gusty Tuesday, followed by scattered flurries for New Brunswick on Wednesday. Thursday evening and night, some snow developing, turning into a wintry mix of snow, ice pellets, and freezing rain for Friday. And I know Friday's a busy travel day, so keep your eyes on that forecast. Mostly sunny skies after that for Saturday and Sunday. For Prince Edward Island, flurries return on Wednesday, could lead to some local accumulations of near a couple of centimeters. Thursday overnight into early Friday morning, there may be some snow that develops but turns into a wintry mix for Prince Edward Island on Friday. Snow turning through ice pellets, freezing rain, potentially over to some showers. After that, a mix of sun and cloud on Saturday, mostly sunny skies for Sunday. And for Nova Scotia, a mixture of flurries and showers along with increasing cloudiness on Wednesday. Back to a mix of sun and cloud on Thursday. That next system coming in looks like it'll be bringing in a push of warmer air with it for Friday. So for Nova Scotia, periods of rain in the forecast for now, a mix of sun and cloud on Saturday after that, and then mostly sunny skies on Sunday.